Hello, beautiful people and friends on the internet. How are you guys doing? So today we will be playing again mini farm game. It's been a while, I guess, since my last video, and I also wanted to tell you guys because I remember I said in my previous videos that I really have a problem with my recording because yeah, it's just I don't have any mic to use on. So today I was able to invest, and I'm testing this one out right now. I hope my voice is clear, and um and I hope some other background noise would be lessened. So yeah, that's it, and happy Valentine's to you guys. It's a late greeting because I recorded late video right now since I celebrated the Valentine's yesterday, and at the same time, it's my brother's birthday, so it's really two celebrations to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Valentine's yesterday. And yeah, I guess let's go with our video and the game itself now, which is the most important thing, right? So I didn't record for a while because I am doing a lot of hard work in a sense to gain a lot of golds in here, and I already have 34 grand. And the reason why I recorded now is because I want you to see my progress. And I actually um, think I've discovered how to progress in this area too. Because as you can see, this area is at 37% progress still. And now that I've already invested things plus the gold that is needed in here, I can purchase this now, and let's see how it goes. So this is area 2. Let's give it let's give it now a try to purchase this one. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. So I've ooh, what is this? Huh? Why am I here? Oh, this is the house. Once you place 8 more pieces, a new resident will come and help gather items. I guess I am not investing for that yet for now. I would want to check out things here. Let me gather some stuff first. Actually, I'm not sure if the background music is quite maybe we can lessen it a bit, just a bit. Let's go. Let me just collect some stuff here for a while. I'm really sorry, y'all. My niece is playing. I hope the background music won't be very bad. Because right now I can hear what my niece is playing. Okay, activating portal to area 2 roomy house. Alright, y'all. Um, what's this? This area is at 37 progress. Okay, you can buy a house. What is this all about? Such a big house, but you have what it takes to make it yours. I mean, how? My goodness, that was like a lot. I guess I have to purchase the most important stuff first. There was again, is it the device? What's that? Yeah, we have to purchase some stuff first because that's the important thing for us to gather stuff and sell it. The cat, the kitty, I don't know, maybe later. What is this all about? What is this? Okay, okay. Ooh. Please be. Oh man, I should have like. Oh man, I'm so bad at this. I should have like purchased this one first for the cheese, right? Oh my gosh. I can hear my niece watching or playing stuff downstairs. I hope I hope things would not be bad in the background. Uh okay, let's go with the riverside. Let's go with the riverside first. One sec, y'all. I'm gonna change place because honestly, it's just really noisy in where am I at. Give me a moment to close my doors. Oopsie doops, oopsie doops. There, I hope this time I am less of the background noise or something. I've already changed room. Alright, okay. So, everywhere I go, it's really noisy. It's because there's a lot of animals here in my area. There's a chicken, there's a dog. It feels like I'm living in a it feels like I'm living in a province. Well, in fact, I'm in the city. So actually, y'all, I'm thinking I would want to challenge myself right now to speak my local language and while touring you up with my progress. Um, yeah, so I will be switching my language to my local language. I hope you could activate this CC um, so that you could still understand what I say, even I speak in my local language. But I'm gonna try to like still speak English at least. So it's like a Tagalog and English combination. So yeah, here we go. Ngayon, magbebenta lang tayo ng mga bagay-bagay. Ayan. Unahin natin itong mga to kasi yung may green, ano yan, parang doble. Twice yung kanyang ano. Oops. Huwag muna yan. Ay, ito. May kulang tayo. Sige, let's go. Ay, kulang rin tayo ng corn. Ito na lang muna ang gold. And ito, marami tayong kahoy. Oranges. Yup. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Feeling ko makukuha na natin yung cow ba yun or ano ba siya? Yung nagpo-produce ng ano. ng cheese. Kasi dito lang sa dito lang natin makukuha sa area na to, which is the private area, na kailangan ng ads. So again, kukunin ko muna siya para I can get cheese para mabenta. Pero kailangan kasi ng ads nito. So puputulin ko na lang sa video. Oh, nagbukas na siya. Kailangan lang natin ng cheese. Kailangan din natin to para mabenta. Sobrang ingay talaga, guys. Sobrang ingay ng background ko kasi kung saan-saan man akong room magstay, nandun yung niece ko. Tapos nandun yung um, other family member ko sa kabila, nanonood. Yung isa naglalaro. Tapos dito naman sa room na to, where I'm at, ano siya, liblib siya, pero yung open na open yung windows dito. Tapos sa likod namin, may mga nag-aalaga ng chicken. Kaya kung marinig nyo man yung mga chickens na yun na nagtitilao, naku, pasensyahan nyo na. Pero yun, I'm really happy kasi nga nakapag-invest na ako guys ng mic, and I hope dito natin makikita once the video is done kung it's actually like helping me out with the background noise, at least at mas audible ako. So let's see what's this. This is 1.6. Okay. Ooh, there's 2 chickens in here. Okay, wait lang. Gusto ko muna unahin to. Dito ka muna. We have to purchase that one. I need a lot of cheese. Ikaw lang yung pwedeng magbigay sa akin ng cheese. Bukod sa walang ads tayong pupuntahan. Kunin ko na rin yung nito. Puno. Ayun, ang daming unlockable, oh. I think, na yun? Area 3 na yun. Sobrang gusto kong kunin yung kitty. Pero hindi pa siya important. 1.6. Oh my goodness. Kailangan ko pang magbenta ng marami. Oops. Punta tayo sa area 1. Baka doon mabigyan tayo ng mas maraming mabebenta. Sige, let's go. Punta tayo sa area 1. Nasa area 2 kasi ako eh. Sell natin yan. Okay. So, lunchtime pala dito today. So, kamusta sa inyo? Kung pinapanood nyo to, lunchtime na rin ba sa inyo? Kakatapos ko lang din kumain namin. Ayun. Punta tayo sa area 1. Sobrang di pala yan nakakat. Sobrang what do you call this? Boom ulit ng Pokemon now. Actually, naglaro kami sa arcade kasi merong ganon, parang Pokemon battle. Tapos may mga collectibles na yung nasa scan siya na badge. Tapos yun din kasi yung gagamitin ng mga Pokemons. Nakakatuwa. Kaso medyo mahal lang siya. Parang gacha coin siya. And 50 pesos per 1 coin. So, pinaka-minimum nila is 10. Well, pwede naman tig-isa. Pero, like, yung minimum na bundle is 10 coins for 500 pesos, guys. Like, that's just really expensive for me. But, for the experience and, ayun, to treat myself then, sometimes, I guess it's worth it. I was able to, like, enjoy, diba? Ayun. And for a 30-year-old girl, I mean, woman at this time, sobrang saya ng inner child ko. Parang lagi akong may inner child na hinahanap. Ay. I don't know, feeling ko din talaga darating yung point na yung inner child ko is always there with me. And I'm happy with that. I have these two individuals na the mature person and and my inner child who's just there. Ayun. Tararatan, tararatan, tan. Gather lang tayo ng a little bit more. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ng maraming materials for me to be able to purchase a lot of stuff in the area too. Ay, wait. Mamaya na tayo. Sana talaga okay itong mic na nabili ko. Sana clear pa rin ako kahit na may background music. Because I'm just recording with my phone. Okay. Okay. Uy, 500. Ang laki nun ah. Ito rin. Kunin na natin to. Marami akong milk. So, let's get that one too. Kunin natin to. Times 2 of it. Strawberries. And this one. And this one. Okay. Dude. We have 3-6 at least. Ay. Wala na eh. Nakuha ko na. By the way, y'all, ang tagal ko palang hindi nakapag-video na sa mga lakad ko. And, wait. Ayan. And, as what I also said in my videos, I mean in the first starts of my video, the reason why I had this channel is for my dad talaga dapat. Kasi nga, ang point is, yung tatay ko talaga yung nag-pursue sa akin na, mag-video ka naman para makita namin ni mama mo. Ano nangyayari dyan? Kasi nga, my dad work overseas. Actually, both of them ng mom ko. And ayun, sabi ko rin sa sarili ko, parang sige, yun yung start ng ating journey dito sa YouTube. Pero unfortunately, my dad just passed away nitong December 2025. Like last 2 months ago lang. So, medyo hindi ako inspired nung nangyari yun. Nawalan ako ng inspiration to take a video of ano yung mga nangyayari sa akin. Kasi parang, I don't know, nawalan talaga ako ng inspiration. Kasi parang may part sa akin na, para saan? Para saan pa? 'Di ba? Wala na yung tatay ko. Siya yung reason kung bakit I created this channel. And then now, where he is, parang ganun. There's like a lot of questions in my mind. So, but then, syempre, parang pinramis ko sa sarili ko na tuloy pa din natin to. Kasi nasimulan na natin eh. So, ayun, I'm still contemplating about things because nire-regain back ko muna yung self ko. Still now, it's still fresh talaga. It's just 2 months ago. And the sad part there is, hindi pa na iuuwi dito, hindi pa nadadala dito yung tatay ko. Because there's a lot of papers na kailangang asikasuhin. So, kung saan siya now with my mom. And, ayun, yun yung story. But now, as you can see, most of what I upload here for now is mga ginagawa kong pangpakalma ko, which is ito, paglalaro. Pero I am planning to actually record a video nitong coming weekend kasi gusto kong every weekend makalabas naman ako sa lungga ko, sa area ko, sa bahay ko, na hindi lang ako nandito magdamag. Kasi every time I actually um, stay at home, mas lalo akong naiisip yung tatay ko and cry a lot. So, I told myself na lumabas naman ako like every weekend kahit once, every weekend after my work. Kasi I cannot do that in my work ng Mondays to Friday dahil pagod na talaga. And the biyahe pa because I work in the office 3 times. I'm hybrid in my schedule. So, every weekend lang talaga yung free ko kung lalabas ako or whatnot. So, ayun, I promised myself na aalis ako every weekend, magre-record ako, whatever random thing I would want, maybe treat my niece, lalo na kapag sahod, or be with my boyfriend, or be with my family, my brother. Ayan, kasi siya lang yung kasama ko dito. Um, so, ayun, treating myself, maybe me time, treating myself kapag I have an extra or may sahod na, ganyan. So, ayun, parang putting a routine for myself para I could heal properly as well. And, yun, um, so I guess expect na meron akong ma-upload na video na not related with gaming but rather something that happened to me on that week or on that day. So yeah, I would probably upload that by the weekends. Ayun. So also if ano pala, if alam niyo din pala or maybe just to share as well. I'm doing 2 jobs. That's the reason why I'm really tired by the 5 days of my week. And yung talagang pahinga ko lang is the weekends. And the fact that I actually edit and do recording pa is another like thing to do. But right now, I guess I will be able to somewhat mabibigyan ng time more yung YouTube and pag-uploads here kasi I quit my other job. So, malaking bagay talaga yung changes na nangyari with my dad. Kasi, um, yung reason kung bakit ako nagdo-double job talaga is para ipon dahil gusto ko talaga silang i-visit before sana na mamatay ang tatay ko. Pero ito yung nangyari, unexpected. Um, well, hindi pala siya unexpected kasi alam ko yung battle ng tatay ko sa cancer. He's battling 5 years already sa cancer. And it's really on and off. And alam ko rin naman na ang hirap labanan yung cancer. So, may part sa akin na 50-50 talaga na may chance kayang masurpass ng tatay ko yung cancer or he wouldn't. So, ayun, I'm working really hard. I work 2 jobs um, para makapag-ipon ng mas marami dahil iba din kasi yung currency ng Philippine peso sa Europe. And even though sabihin natin na nakakalikom ako ng marami dito, and if you're gonna spend it here in the Philippines, malaki-laki din talaga. But if you go abroad for a visit, parang walang-wala siya. Like, wala pa sa kalahati. So, yun yung reason na talagang nag-iipon ako ng sobra kasi ang laki talaga ng euro. The currency ng palitan ng euro versus a Philippine peso is parang very, very cheap. But after what happened to my dad, um, for some reason talagang nagre-recover pa ako. And this is what I am now. This is what I'm doing. I'm playing um, things that I want. I do my hobby. I play guitar to lessen the burden. Whatever I can to help me out. And ayun, I I quit my job and sabi ko kailangan ko muna ng pahinga kasi it mentally drains me so much na. Like, I'm so tired. My mind is tired as well. I'm coping. I'm healing with the changes happened in my life now. So, I quit my job and dun lang ako sa local company ko nagstay. So, right now, I only have one job and focusing on it, and probably will be focused as well in the YouTube world kasi mas may time na ako. And yeah, that's just the thing happening right now in my life. Honestly, ang funny. Ang funny bakit ko kinikwento to ngayon. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi siya proper. Maybe let's just focus with completing this and, you know, being happy. Feeling ko baka na-drain kayo. I'm really sorry, guys. Yeah. Anyway, let's go back to the game, I guess. Kailangan natin gawin ay mag-ipon lang ng mag-ipon. Mag-sell lang mag-sell. Okay, let's see. Ito malaki to. 600. Kunin na natin yan. Let's also get these. 240. And then what else? What else? What else? I guess these. 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 Yan, may 2K agad tayo. Ano pa ba yung mga unlockable natin dito? Ilang progress? 66% unlockables. Okay. Gusto ko munang kunin yung nandito. Kasi parang meron ditong hidden gem. Excuse me? Excuse moi? Ay, sorry. Ayun o. Ano ba to? It's 2,300, y'all. Medyo mahirapan tayo niyan. Kailangan pa muna. Kunin na natin to. Ay. Kailangan natin ng kahoy. Saka ko na kunin yung isang cow dun. Because I want to... Teka lang. Kunin natin yung milk. Kunin natin tong orangey. Hindi muna ako mag-open ng mga ads right now. I want to focus on gathering stuff first. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sorry guys kung maraming maingay kasi at the same time dito sa room na to kung saan ako, inaayos din yung may bahay na inaayos sa amin. Kaya sobrang hirap. Saan tayo? Roomy house, private farm. Sa private farm tayo. Ay, mali. Mali talaga. Wait, let's see. Baka pwede na natin kunin na yan. Bago tayo lumipat ulit. Transportation. Actually, guys, I'm really not confident sa pag-speak ng English. kahit na sabihin natin maybe some people is telling me na okay naman yung English ko, pero I cannot express myself so much sa English. Mas Tagalog or Taglish talaga. Kaya that's also the reason kung bakit tinutry ko na mag-record ng English para ma-forced yung sarili ko to learn the proper way and fluency of the saan pa tayo pupunta? Of the language. Pag written, okay naman ako. Pero yung expressing lang talaga through verbal, yun yung medyo hindi pa ako confident sa sarili. Even though I work a long time with corporate, feeling ko talaga hindi pa rin ako confident may pag-usap ng English. So, na-try ko talaga na mag-record ng English dito hanggang maubusan ako ng sasabihin. Kaya, most of my recording talaga ay nasa English. Pero I don't know, ano bang mas gusto nyo? Use my local language or English? What's like comfortable with you guys and easier for you to like hear? Oops. So 32 minutes na tayo nagre-record. Sige. Matapos ko lang talaga yung matapos ko lang yung ibang progress. How about that? I'll stop recording now. Or if this is already like an hour, I'll stop recording because I guess it's too much. Sobrang tagal na nun. Nakakatuwa tong game na to. I'm not sure if na-enjoy nyo yung ganitong type of game or nabobore kayo. Pero for me, it's a cozy game na I can play for hours of hours. Kasi may mga accomplishments ka, may achievements ka, may goals ka to do. Yes, paulit-ulit siya, pero the fact that you have a goal to do and ayun, yung mga goals na yun yung ma-unlock mo yung mga other areas once you're done with it. So, it's really cozy. Hindi siya masakit sa ulo. Yes, paulit-ulit, pero 'di ba? Parang mapupursige ka to do something para ma-accomplish mo yung isang bagay, which I'm really happy with. Let's go to the west side. So basically, dito sa area 1, okay na ako. 100% na yung progression. Ang hindi ko lang complete dito is yung artifacts, which not my prio as of the moment. Kasi gusto ko talagang mag-explore more. Ayan. Let's go, baby. Wait natin. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go to the north. Then, after that, central tayo. The east side. Meron akong bagong nilalaro, which is yung role-playing game siya actually, a simulator. Would I consider it a simulator? Pero it's a Sunday City na game. Another cozy game, honestly. So, ito muna tayo. Laki ito. Ito, ay, wag muna. Ito muna tayo. What else? I have a lot of milk for sure. Let's get these. Let's get these. Let's get these. Let's get these. And these. Ooh. Nakalikom tayo ng 3,000. Saan tayo next? Balik na ba tayo sa area 2? So yun, I'll probably gonna record another playlist of game. Grabe. Salamat ha sa isang milk. Playing the Sunday City. Ganda rin siya. Pero parang medyo mature siya. Hindi siya for kids talaga. So, I doubt kids would love playing that. More of mga adults, I guess. Balik tayo sa ano. Goal ko is ma-unlock lang yung ano, yung kabilang side para lang makita natin what it is all about. You still need some strawberries, dude. Maybe we can sell the pear and one. Sayang, 50 lang. Kakasar. Ayoko muna. Orange. Masitala. Orange. Ay, wait, kuha tayo ng strawberry. Ayun, may strawberry na tayo. Strawberry to, diba? Ay, tomato pala ata yun. I actually thought that was like apple. Tapos nagtaka ako, napaisip ako pala. Paano apple hindi nasa tree? Tapos yun, magkamukha kasi sila ng tomato eh. Tapos na-realize ko, it's a tomato pala. Oopsie. Machitala. Gusto ko na talagang bilhin yun. Another. This one is strawberry. Okay, nice. Maybe you can sell a strawberry later on. Bim. Chiso. Ayan, bilhin na natin to. Boom. Machitala. Oh, another pair. Feeling ko hindi ko pa ito mabibili. Yep. Pero makakatanim tayo, which is nice, diba? Tapos, okay. Perfect. Achievement unlocked! Ayun yung maganda eh. Makikita mo talaga na may achievement ka na gagawa. Saan pa kaya tayo pwedeng pumunta? Okay, na-unlock na natin yung part dito. Anything we can do. Punta tayo sa... Saan pa tayo pwedeng pumunta? Roomy house. Ayan. Gusto kong tingnan kasi dito kung may another unlockable pa. Nande? Nandes ka? Nani? Okay. Curious ako dun. Bago natin i-stop yung video for another video, I would want to get that first. Kasi I think yun na lang yung last. I think lang. Na unlockable para dito. Sa area na to. Tas yung iba yung parang mga moo and shits. Oops. Is it even nice to say those words? My bad. Sana hindi tayo magkaroon ng foul problem about what I just said. Nadala lang ako ng emotions. I'm sorry, YouTube. Ano nga magagawin? Ayun. Kasi feeling ko nakuha na natin lahat. Ang kailangan na lang natin after that is yung kompletuhin yung mga ganito. Like yung ganito. Which not of a priority pa. So, kukunin ko lang yung stage na yun, yung area na yun, para makita natin anong meron dun. I was also curious about that place. I'm really happy. Sell muna tayo. Kailangan natin ng pera. Oh my gosh. Dami ko pang kailangan. What can I sell? Ito. Boom. Machita. Wala na akong masasell. Kulang-kulang tayo ng materials. Pero I think kaya na natin yun. Magkano ba yun? 1.6 ba yun? Wait nga. Wait lang. Yeah, wait. Kailangan natin maglikom ng 2K. Okay, balik tayo dito. Likom tayo ng 2K. Kasi hindi ko maalala kung ilan ba siya. 1.6 pa siya, 1.8, 1.2, I don't know. I forgot. I forgot drew of my... Wait, what? Oh no. I think my phone just hanged. Oh no.